This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and a very warm welcome to issue 12 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers, the movie series, not the cartoon version. Kings of the Asphalt. That'd be the road then, wouldn't it? Yeah. There we go. Nemesis Prime. Don't remember anything about him. It's obviously a bad version of Prime, as you can tell from him being a bad version of Prime. Ironhide, yes, that's a name that I'm familiar with. There we go. All about him. Beyond the robots, obviously, other things happen. Once thing becomes successful, they'll make money wherever they can, be it, you know, Cases, Jigsaw's Design Centre. I don't know what a Design Centre is, but yeah. There will be a bit of everything available. Voice changer. Very cool. There we go. Yeah, all about that. Right, this is the right leg, part 3, continuation of the right leg. We've got only 4 parts in this, which go together to make a thing, and then that adds on to the thing. And then the other bits add on to it as well. So we're continuing on to the leg. We're sort of fleshing it out, or, well, not fleshing, metaling it out. I don't know quite the terminology there, but yes, we're making it bigger. This is the top part of his right leg to go with his right foot. Let's get into it. So we have parts from last time and parts from this time. We're going to start off by putting these two together. Little pins go through there like that, lined up, and push through, making sure you get the angle right. This is all going that way rather than directly straight, so make sure you get the angle correct, and that should go in like that. Is that one lined up? Doesn't feel like that one's lined up. It wasn't. There it is now, though. So yeah, that just pushes through. No screws required on any of this stage. Got a nice secure fit all the same. Reminds me a bit of R2 sort of style and colouring, the silver and the blue, but there we go. That is then fitting onto the part from last time. Again, 2 posts going into 2 posts. Like that. Cool. Building up. Then we're putting these 2 pieces together. Again, nice and easy. Adding a little bit of detail where there wasn't any. That goes on there. And then this fits around that bit. Sort of like that. Which bits are going to line up? We've got 3 posts and we've got 3 convenient holes for them to fit into. So those 3 there. Like that. And there we have it. It's starting to look a bit more meaty. A little bit more organic even. But yeah. So there we go. That is that. That's another issue completed. I shall see you very shortly for the next one. So until then, stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.